In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bitrix24 inventory management. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your dashboard, go to CRM over here on the left, and then you want to go to inventory up top and click on inventory management. Now when you open this for the first time, it's going to give you this pop-up and you basically have to select your costing method. So I'm just going to go with the quick start over here. I'm going to select a method over here and I'm going to click on enable inventory management. Now when you do this, as you can see, your inventory management is going to be enabled and you can start using it. So here you can go and create your first stock adjustment. You can just click on create up top, and of course you can then go and create your stock adjustment. Okay, so here you can go and add rows. You can see you can add the products in here as well. You have barcodes, purchase prices, sales prices, etc. And when you're done, hit the add row and that's it. If you need to create a new product, click on create product, which is going to open up this kind of catalog where you can create a new one. So for example, I'm going to type in tutorial, and you can of course add detailed descriptions, product visibilities. You can add things like images, units, barcodes, etc. I'm just going to keep it at name over here right now to not complicate things. And you can go and of course create inventory objects, stuff like that. And in here, you'll be able to do whatever you want with this and then save it whenever you're done. And of course, that way you can create your stock adjustments. Now back here, if you go to your inventory management, you can see there's also going to be a bunch of things up here. You have your inventory, your sales orders, transfers, write-offs, customers, you have products, analytics, as well as some settings and more as well, okay, over here. So there's a bunch of different things you can do in here. It's actually feature packed. You can go over each and every single one of these and see what it offers for yourself as well, okay? But that's essentially how to enable it and then how to start using it. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.